Good morning, YouTube. How's it going? Spec M Auto is back with a video today. Today, we finally have new content. And what I'm bringing you today, I'm actually going to try to film 2 different videos today, if not 3 different videos today. I'm going to be filming the interior detailing video for this car. I'm also filming the exterior detailing of this vehicle. And then I'm going to do a review video on a new product I just picked up today. Obviously my channel is too small to be sponsored by anybody, so this is obviously not sponsored. I paid for my own stuff. So I'll show you guys real quick. Get you guys up here. So I went to Meijer today to buy this product, and they didn't have it, so I had to go all the way over to Walmart, pick that up, and they actually had it. So here it is, guys. So I got this Bissell Little Green Pro. I wanted to get the Pro Heat one, but they didn't have it. So I just got what I got. I've seen a lot of good videos and good results out of these Bissell Little Green machines. So I got myself one today so I can get the stains out of the carpet and upholstery in both my van and my Honda. I'm not sure when the exterior detail video is going to go up, and I'm not sure when the product review video is going to go up, but when it goes up, you guys will definitely know if you're subscribed to my channel. Whew, I almost lost my camera there. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started on this not exterior, that's the next video. I'm getting way ahead of myself. But anyway, on to the interior detailing process. I hope you guys enjoy. Now before I start, I'll show you guys around real quick to see everything that needs to get cleaned up. So there's a little bit of dirt here on the pillar. There's all kinds of dirt on the door panels. All this dirt that you're seeing was from that time I got my van stuck in mud. If you don't remember, you guys can go back and look up my off-road minivan video. That was quite an adventure. There's some dirt dust on top of there. There's a lot of dirt dust on top of this. All this dirt and dust is from when this van got stuck in the mud. So in a lot of detailing videos, when you see deep clean interior stuff, you will see people removing the seats entirely out of the vehicle. In this case, it's not going to happen because, truthfully, the carpets in this van is not bad at all. It's just a few little spots here and there that need to get situated. I'll really show you just like the worst of the carpet, which still isn't bad. So like this spot right here, I'll show you guys how that will turn out when I'm done. But other than that, the interior is not too horrible. It just needs a little love and a little bit of shine added to it. I will do some of the stain removal on here, so we'll see how that goes. I'll show you guys like a more in-depth video of the stain removal process with my new Bissell cleaner. And I'll also do... Where's my car? My car's down the street. You can't really see it, but I'll do another clip of me like doing the seats in the Honda, because the seats are a little gross in there right now. A lot of dirt built up in it, so the seats look more black than they should. So I'll do like a more in-depth showing of this and the seats in a separate video when I do the Bissell Little Clean review. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's the look at the carpets and stuff so far that I've spent a while cleaning. They look a million times better. I know you didn't really get to see much of the carpet action in this video, but like I said earlier, I'm saving that for a different video. So stay tuned on my channel if you'd like to see more on that. I also did these floor mats over here while I was away. Let me flip on the other side real quick and show you guys. The OEM floor mats came out really good. So, good enough for me. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the process of detailing the dash and the door panels and everything with this cleaner. Seats were all vacuumed. The carpets were vacuumed. Carpets were cleaned with the carpet cleaner. So were the floor mats. So now we're going to go on to finish up the interior. And then I might take a break and then do the exterior. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like all the interior stuff is done. All I really have left to do at this point is the windows, but I'm not worried about that right this second, because I'm pretty sure most of the people that are watching this don't have any interest in watching me clean windows. So here's a look at the interior so far. It's significantly better. I still need to work this off a little bit more, but I will have like official final... Damn it. I'll officially have final result photos on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, follow Spec M Auto on both those websites. But here's a good look on the floor and the floor mats, the seats, middle row floor and floor mats, middle row seats. I'll go around back in here, show you how clean the trunk area is. Significantly better. And here's a view at this side. You know, floor, seats. Then we'll crawl in here. Let you guys get a look at the back seat area. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and tell me how you rate my detailing style. I know most people will moan and bitch about the fact that I spray directly on the dash instead of on a rag, but the reason I do it like this is because when you spray right on the surface and not just a rag, it maximizes the shine, as you can see. See how like shiny that is? When was the last time you guys seen a 2000s Grand Caravan this clean inside? Really, when was the last time you guys have seen a Grand Caravan this clean? Never, probably. So you got the rear heat and AC for second and third row seats. So this thing's pretty fancy for being a base model. But that, my friends, is a wrap. Ooh. That was rust. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I got my other stuff I need to do. I'm still not 100% sure if I'm gonna do the exterior today or not. It really depends on what I've got going on. I'm definitely gonna stop after this to take a lunch break because I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna eat some lunch and then I'm gonna clean this mess up here and continue with what I'm gonna do. This van's literally just been like a day-long project for me. And it's probably going to be into the evening time. Hopefully the weather works with me, and hopefully things around here works for me in general, because I really want to get this thing done today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, share the video with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, because that is when you know videos are going to be uploaded. So, alrighty guys. Stay safe out there. I'll see y'all next time.